Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share something very important with you all. Recently, we all have been witnessed that how huge climatic changes affected the entire human race. This is the high time when all of us need to be one to overcome this grave situation. Through this video, I'm going to raise awareness for saving our only home Earth. For this video, I have made some simple doodles based on some very popular animated movies and their characters. Here I am drawing the two characters from the movie Home, which was released on 2015. The movie was great and has some amazing songs. This is the story about an alien race known as Boof, who keeps on changing their planets to run away from their so-called planet-destroying enemy Gorg. So basically Boofs are always on the run from Gorg, and now they had to find a safe home, and which was Earth for them. This is O, an excited free-thinking member of the species, and this is Pig, though it's a cat. Guys, what I'm trying to say is that for Boof, our planet was just an option to take a shelter from their enemy. But for us, this is the only option we have, so please save our only home. The doodle I'm going to draw next is from the film Shrek, another great film. We all know that Shrek was a mean-spirited ogre who loves his own space so much that he never tries to make any friends, and for his fearsome appearance, he keeps his safe distances from everyone. But deep down, he was a sweet, lonely, and a lovable person who also wanted to be loved. Like Shrek, our Mother Nature can be fearsome sometimes, destroying things, and becomes unpredictable. But once you get to know and befriend her, you will love her. Because if you cannot respect nature at its worst, you surely don't deserve its beauty. So shake hands with nature and make it your friend. My next doodle is from the movie Minions. We all love Minions as they are the cutest characters ever drawn in the history of animated movies. They are really small creatures who have existed since the beginning of time, evolving from yellow single-celled organisms into beings which exist only to serve history's most despicable masters or villains. The minions are like the supporting system for a master, because without them, a master failed to perform. Like these minions, our trees are also the supporting system for this planet. So it's our basic duty to protect the trees so that our earth can perform well. The next doodle is from the film Inside Out. Guys, if you have seen this movie, you know how incredible the film is. The movie revolves around mind of a young girl named Riley, where 5 personified emotions try to lead her through her life. When Riley moves to a new city, her emotions named joy, fear, anger, disgust, and sadness team up together to help her through the transition. Guys, it's really tough to know someone thoroughly as we all have various emotions to cope up with. But we try to understand the mind of those people whom we love very deeply and are very close to our heart. So it's necessary to first love your planet, and you will gradually understand it from the inside out, and only then you can save it.